Hi, I'm thrilled to see you at Surpass Academy, a learning platform developed by Surpass Provis India Private Limited. This is a place where learning is convenient and flexible so that it fits right into your schedule. That's the essence of Surpass Academy. We offer AEC, architecture, engineering, construction industry courses that you can dive into online or offline, whatever suits you best. Our mission is straightforward. We are here to empower you with skills that companies and clients demand for hiring the right candidate in architecture, civil engineering, interior design, construction, project management, and building information modeling services. Our courses have the power to grow your career and improve your earnings by providing you the right career guidance, clearing your basic concepts, getting you trained by industry experts on real-time projects, and providing you timely feedback so that you can make most out of our offerings. And the best part is, हमारे सारे कोर्सेज हिंदी और इंग्लिश में पढ़ाए जाते हैं। अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझना कठिन लगता है तो आप हिंदी में भी सरपास की सभी सुविधाओं का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। At www.surpass.academy, you can search and enroll for courses that you want to learn. All our courses are specially curated by industry experts having experience range of 20 to 40 years in AEC industry. You can also register for our workshops, events and webinars that will help you connect with like-minded professionals and give you the opportunity to network with industry experts. Now here's the exciting part. We have introduced subscription plans that offer multiple courses at a price range which is very wallet friendly. Just go to the subscription page and you can subscribe to our Masters Bundle courses with different categories and flexible learning path so that you can make most out of our offerings and learn at your own pace. Our website also features latest videos and podcasts from our YouTube channel so that we can provide you with industry insights to keep you ahead of the competition. If you need any assistance, simply go to the contact us page and submit us your details. Our career counseling team is here to guide you in the right direction and help you choose a relevant course that fits your profile. So let's make it simple. Surpass Academy is your hub to learn, lead and innovate in the AEC industry. We are excited to welcome you to our professional community. Join us at Surpass and let's embark on this journey together.